The valid anagram problem on LeetCode is given two strings s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. So an anagram is two words that have the same number of letters and same number of each letter. So a quick case we can get out of the way is if s and t are not the same length, then we can return false. Then we need to check that each letter in S shows up the same number of times as it does in T. The best way I can think of to do this is with a map, and our first map will store the letters that appear in S and how many times they appear. And then we can compare that map to what numbers are in T. So I'll initialize a map in C#, which is a dictionary, which will store char and our int count. And we'll just call that letter count and then initialize that. And then for each char letter in S, we will check if it exists in the dictionary using try get value, which will be take the letter and out the count, which is our int. And if we do get a value out, then we will set letter count letter equal to count plus 1. Otherwise, we will just set that entry as 1. So this is building our first map. So if we had rat, a dictionary would have the entries R, which would appear once, A, which would appear once, and T, which would also appear once. Then we can come to our other string, which is char, which is T in this case. And we can do a similar thing. So if letter count.try get value letter out int count. So if we get a count out, actually, if we can't find the letter in the dictionary or the count is equal to 0, then we can say that there wasn't enough letters in the dictionary. So we can return false. Otherwise, we can get the letter out. So letter, and set that equal to, you can set that equal to count minus 1. Then if we make it to the end, we can return true. So if this was tar, for example, we'd go through our dictionary and from above, we'd find T and then we'd make it 0. We'd find A and set that to 0, and then we'd find R and set that to 0. And because we did our check up the top, we're sure that we've checked all the letters. In the case of Anagram, that would be A would appear twice, N would appear once. Sorry, A would appear 3 times, N would appear once, G would appear just once, R would appear once, and M would appear once. And if we compare that to Anagram, so we see get rid of the N, so N goes to 0, then we get rid of A goes to 2, get rid of G goes to 0, we get rid of A goes to 1, we get to R goes to 0, get A goes to 0, get M goes to 0. Cool. And then we'll do it, the easy one with rat and car. So in this case, it should fail. So we have all the letters. We've gone through rat and built the map, and then we go to car. We see car has C, and our dictionary doesn't have C, so we return false. And then if we give that a run, that's accepted that use case. And our solution is fairly fast.